Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to see who viewed your Instagram story. Let's get started. First, you open up your Instagram app, and at the moment, I don't have any stories, so let me just share one. Let me just share this one. And once you do that, once you view your story after it's uploaded, swipe your screen up to see the viewers of your story. So at the moment, since this is a new story and I have quite few followers, I don't have any viewers yet. Now keep in mind that after 24 hours, your story will be gone and moved to the archive. Now you just have to access your archive and go to Stories archive to see all of the stories that you've posted before. But unfortunately, in archive, you can't view the exact number of your viewers or the specific users who viewed that story. So that's how Instagram works. And that's how you can easily check your viewers and your Instagram story. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!